I hope you're well. I'm about to put on some makeup. We're gonna go to a little coffee shop in town. I'm gonna shoot my very first Instagram campaign. I'm very excited. It is a collaboration with a watch company. I was very happy to receive a request like that, considering I only have 1,500 subscribers on Instagram, so it's a great little start. Very excited to do that. So I hope it turns out well. All right, makeup is all done, and I'm sorry for the bad lighting, but I live in basically a dungeon. Here is my outfit of the day. I have my Cause long sleeve fitted t-shirt, and I absolutely love this. It's the one with the thumb holes that I adore, but since I have my gorgeous watch on, I am going to have my sleeves pulled up a little bit. On this arm, I have the beautiful white, I was gonna say white chocolate, but I have the beautiful white gold cuff from Dubai, and I love this so much. I wear it constantly. For the trousers, I have brand new mango faux leather cropped trousers, ankle length. These are, I guess, a straight leg, if you can call it that. And I just literally ripped the tag off of them today. I really like them, and I think they're great for the fall winter season. Very on trend, but also a classic piece that I'll have for many years to come. So I'm very happy with these, and they fit great, very true to size. I think I have a size 6. For the belt, I finally gave in and got the Isabel Marant Leche belt. I think that's how it's called. This one is the reversible kind with a tan on the back and black in the front, or vice versa, however you want to call it, but you can absolutely reverse these and wear them both ways. So you get 2 belts for the price of 1, which I absolutely love. And for the shoes, these are also new in my wardrobe. These are some Mary Jane pointed toe ballet flats. This is from a brand called Open Edit. I got it on Nordstrom. I think it's a Nordstrom brand, I'm not quite sure, but in any case, it was on Nordstrom, and I've been looking high and low for these. I've wanted Mary Jane's, but all the ones that I've come across have had more of a rounded toe. I did find similar ones like this on Stuart Weitzman, but they were $395, and I did not want to pay $400 for ballet flats. So I found these. I forgot how much they were, but they're definitely a fraction of the cost. I want to say maybe they were $60, I'm not sure, something like that. They were very inexpensive. We're having lunch at Zinke in Newport Beach on Lido, and I have a smoked salmon sandwich. Brett has a breakfast burrito and French fries and a little Pellegrino. Looks yummy. If you watched my Las Vegas vlog, you'll see that I did a little bit of shopping, and I wanted to show you what I got. Starting off with a little something from Hermes. I have to say this is my very first purchase from Hermes. Actually, I'm lying. I did just get a Twilly for a friend of mine for her birthday. Just wanted to splurge a little bit and get her a little something special, so I got her a Twilly. So this is technically my second purchase from Hermes. So we walked into the store just kind of casually, not really looking for anything specific. Of course, we were really just kind of window shopping all the beautiful luxury boutiques that are in the Wynn Resort Hotel. I've actually never walked into an Hermes before because I've always been very intimidated. But I was like, you know what? We're here. Let's have fun. Let's just go in. We walked in, had a little look around. There was just a lot of scarves and other small little tidbits in this area because I think all the major things were in the upper level. We came across the costume jewelry, so I had a look around. A sales associate comes up to me and I joked and I said, "What's the cheapest thing you have here?" And she directed me to some of those bracelets with the H's on them. I don't know what they're called. I did notice this item here and it caught my eye, and I guess I was just hooked. Let's open it up and see what it looks like. Beautiful packaging here. Lovely, lovely. Even for something so small like this, they give you beautiful packaging. And here it is. It is a gorgeous necklace. Costume jewelry, of course, but it has those Hermes kind of little, whatchamacallits, are iconic to Hermes, so that's kind of just one of their little details. And I think it's a beautiful piece. I can't wait to put it on. Let's throw it on right now. Probably need both of these things to be in the front. So it can probably go like this, I'm assuming, because obviously this thing needs to be front and center. So maybe like this. I'll have to play around with it. Oops, that just came off. Oh, okay, so these little thingies come off. They're protective things. And it looks like this. It doesn't have this little plastic thing on it. Okay, okay. Yeah, that's much better. Well, I think it's a beautiful piece. I love the tortoiseshell detail on it, and it's gold as well. So it's going to match my beautiful jewelry, match the chocolate brown that is very in style for the season. Hence why I'm dressed in my chocolate brown leather, faux leather skirt. And yeah, it's beautiful, and it's a nice little first Hermes item for myself. I'm not going to say that I'm going to be reaching a quota anytime soon, but from time to time I might treat myself to a little teeny weeny something like this. I was also on the hunt for the perfect pair of black leather knee-high boots. I don't have any in my collection yet. I just have a pair of suede black boots, but I really, really wanted some leather boots. I've been looking online a whole bunch of times. I've actually ordered and returned a bunch of boots because they just were not to my liking. If you saw the Las Vegas vlog, we went to Jimmy Choo. I found some gorgeous boots, but I did not buy them. We also went to Christian Louboutin, and I saw some amazing boots there as well, but my feet were so swollen from dancing all night. It's a good thing that I did not buy the shoes right then and there, but I did decide to order my size, and they've just arrived, and I'm excited to unbox them and see what they are, try them on, because I was already having some buyer's remorse. I mean, these are not inexpensive boots. These are $1,800 plus tax, so they are very, very pricey, and I really need to absolutely love these and adore these and wear these to death if I'm going to keep these. If I have one slight inkling of disappointment or uncertainty in these, I'm going to send them back. Here we go. It arrived wrapped in red tissue paper, so let me struggle to get this out of the shipping box without crushing the box. I think I'm going to just dump it out. Okay, there we go. Here we go. Here they are. Beautiful. This is the Kate Bota 85 millimeter leather. Zip here on the side, and they're knee high. Beautiful pointy snout right there. And of course, the luscious, delicious red bottoms. I really loved the leather on this. The reason I've returned so many of the boots is just because the leather just does not measure up. And of course, you know, I'm buying boots in the $200 to $300 range, and you know, it comes with the price. The leather is just not it's just not the best quality. You can hide it more in a suede boot, and that's why I tend to have more suede boots in my collection than leather boots, because I don't like to shop at a very high expensive price point, and I usually get tired of things quickly, so I don't want to spend a lot of money. But the suede boots tend to look a little bit more, not as cheap looking as the leather boots. Love them looking at them, but I really hope that I can get my use out of them. I mean, I know I'll have them for years and years and years, and this is a classic boot style that doesn't have any kind of trend-driven details on it that I would tire of. So it's really just a classic, beautiful stiletto knee-high boot that would probably never date. Here's the boots. I do think they're beautiful, and I am probably in love with them. I love that the zipper goes all the way down, makes them very easy to get in. I grabbed a size 41.5, which I think is equivalent to a 10.5. Just because I know from prior experience with Louboutins, they are very narrow in the front, and I do have a wider foot, so I did want to give a little room for myself there. Plus, I wanted to wear them with some socks, and generally I never wear socks with my shoes, but I just thought maybe I wouldn't leave a little room for a sock as well. And I think they're very comfortable, at least standing here for now. This is a nice height. However, back here, it is kind of hitting me when I bend my knee, and if I were to try to sit down, yeah, they're kind of like really like digging into me here. So that is kind of making me worry a little bit. Like I just feel like I'm just going to bend this leather and destroy it back there. But I mean, I don't know. I guess that's what happens with the boot. I don't know. I mean, I love them. They're beautiful. Are they a keeper? My outfit of the evening, I have a Frankie shop blazer. The top and the trousers are both express. I have mango shoes, YSL bag. I have earrings are Ana Luisa, and the bracelet is Ana Luisa, and this is from Dubai. And Swatch watch, and jewelry is assortment of Ana Luisa and other things. That's my outfit. Cauliflower hummus with some fresh pita bread. This is absolutely delicious.
Cheers.
Oh, he's gonna bring it out here. Yum, thank you. Thank you. Well, I just finished at the salon, so I had my root touch up. And I requested that my extensions come out and that they do not go back in, because my hair has gotten so damaged over the last 6 months, I'd say. It's never looked this bad. It's never looked this broken and damaged, and it's thinned out considerably. I mean, I feel like I have no hair, and that's not just because the extensions have come out. It is literally because there is so much breakage in here. I mean, if I were to pull my hair back and show you, this is basically around the entire perimeter of my hairline. It's broken everywhere. So there is just so much damage on my hair that I said I need to nurse this back to health. So I can't have extensions, because trying to deep condition your hair with extensions in it, they're tape-in extensions, and the extra moisture just ruins the glue and they just fall out. So I figured, you know what, there is no point in having those in until I really nurse this hair back to health, help kind of bond it, treat it, condition it, hydrate it. It just needs a lot of help and attention. So bear with me as I go through this transition. And yeah, so back to short hair. I was supposed to have a much needed haircut with my hairdresser. I go to a separate salon for my hair cutting versus my hair coloring. I've gone to the same hairstylist for the last 10 years or so, and she's amazing, but she's at a different salon than where I go for my color. So I have not seen her in several months because I have had extensions and I could not really get a proper haircut. So that's another reason I took the extensions out, is because I need a desperate haircut to get rid of all this damage that is all over my head. And I'm going to be considerably shorter, but that's okay because I really need to fix this. But unfortunately, she called out sick today for tomorrow. That's kind of a drag. I'll have to wait another week or so probably to make an appointment with her. But in the meantime, I will do some deep conditioning and get this little old hair back into good shape. About to go to Fashion Island in Newport Beach for their annual tree lighting ceremony, and I'm looking forward to it. It's supposed to be a rather cold night. It might even rain, but I'm wearing my Ralph Lauren polo sweater dress. I've had this for a couple of years and I love it. It's beautiful. It fits nice and loosely. It's not too tight or too loose, just perfect. And for my boots, I have my Steve Madden suede, or actually I think they're faux suede boots, knee-high boots, and just keeping it very simple and easy. Here is my hair minus the extensions. If I could show you the back, I don't know if you can see it. Probably not doing a good job, but if you can see the back, it has like at least 2 inches up the hairline of breakage in the back. Anyway, better run because our friends are waiting downstairs.